Good day. I'm Miss Jaira Zuniga Mansalay from ICT Department, your teacher in Animation 2 Basic Adobe Flash. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to know the procedures in reshaping object, identify the layers guide, familiarize the procedures in reshaping object. Reshaping an object. Flash offers unique ways to change an object shape. The selection tools allows you to manipulate the object shape directly by dragging its border into a different contour. When you need to adjust your view of an object, you can use the zoom tool to zoom in or zoom out of the image. You work on design elements of the logo by changing the rectangular to triangle and then create a curve. The following are the procedures on how to use Flash in reshaping an object. Number 1. Click the zoom tool on the tool panel, move the zoom pointer near the rectangular, then click the stage until the object is clearly visible on your screen, if necessary. The plus sign, it indicates that you are zooming in or enlarging your view of an object. The zoom out of the object, press and hold Alt or Option, then click the stage. Number 2. Click the selection tool on the tool panel, then position the mouse pointer over the bottom right corner of the rectangular until the corner pointer is visible. Depending on where you place the selection tool pointer, a different pointers appears. The corner pointers allows you to adjust the corner. Quick tip. You can deselect object on the stage by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus A if Windows or Shift plus A on Mac. Number 3. Drag towards the left corner of the rectangular, then when the corner becomes straight line, release the mouse button. The rectangular is now a triangle. A snap ring is visible as reshape the object. A snap ring is alignment aid. The ring becomes larger as it means snapping point. In that case, or in this case, a grid intersection. Next, you add a curve to an edge of the triangle. Number 4. Move the mouse pointer over the bottom edge of the triangle until the curved pointer appears. Trouble. If the curved pointer is not visible as you point the edge of the triangle, and step 3 to create perfectly straight line. Number 5. Click and drag towards the top left corner of the rectangle. Then, when the curve resembles, release the mouse button. The bottom edge of the triangle is now curved. Last one, number 6. Save the document. And that's all. And now, let's go to figure B9, modifying a shape. Number 1, we have snap ring. Number 2, we have selection tool. Number 3, we have the drag corner until the new forms is a triangle. And the last one is zoom tool. And now let's go to figure 510, which is creating a curve. Drag the edge to create a curve. Understanding guide layers. A guide layers is a layer that contains a shape you can use to trace or align objects, or to create a motion path for animated object. First, you create the shape or paths on the guide layer, then you use it as a template for object in the layers above it. For example, say you want to show an airplane circling in the sky. You could draw and modify an oval or oval shape on a guide layers and then use it to create the motion path of an airplane graphic. Flying is another layers. You can also import or copy a graphic to a layer then convert into a guide layers. A guide layers right click or control click on the Mac. Timeline. Then click guide. A guide layers icons appear the layers because a guide layers appears in the timeline but is visible in the published movie. It is efficient design tool. Okay, before I end this discussion, I have some question to ask. Number 1, what is reshaping an object? Number 2, what are the procedures in reshaping an object? Number 3, what is guide layers? Write your answer on your notebook and pass it to your teacher. I hope you have a lot of learning today. For your assessment, I want you to answer the concept note that was given in your DLP. Goodbye and thank you. Keep safe.